Hello friends, good morning to all of you. First of all, I am thankful to the Sachin sir for having me here. I am Vishal from Jitapur Sakna. Today I am going to start a debate with my brothers. The topic name is Asian time and modern times. Yes, I have selected Asian time. If we talk about brothers Asian time, then in that times people who are very healthy and they were living a very happy full life. They were spending with their families and on that times people they were eating less bacterias and grants and many things, and because of that their body was very strong.
Okay, brother, I want to tell you, on that times everyone are facing problem because on that times they were captured of the British. On that times means that they were not eating the full stomach of the food. Means that they were doing hard work under of the sunlight or the sunset. Means after doing work means they are not getting the complete food as well as they were not getting the full money. But if I talk about in the present times, everyone are getting the full food and as well as they are getting the full money. You can find out to any areas that having completed the 1 month means that they are means elder. They are elders of the company. They give their salary as well as payment of time to times. This is called the modern times. On the times, Asian time was bad.
Yes, brother. Just to say that on the times in the past times, British captured. Yeah, they started rule of India. Do you know why they started that? Because of in India's a lot of golds, and on that times our India none the golden birds. Because of that, just to say that on that time India's people they didn't have anything for eating. Then how it is possible? Why British people came in India and they started rule? And they firstly say that I will help to use and I will start yes business. But why they started rule on India? Because of in
I want to
India
tell
a
you,
lot
brother.
of goldens.
Listen, I want to tell you, in the modern times, everyone have mind. Means they have only some money and they starting the business. But if I talk about in the past time, they have the more money. Means that India was none of the gold of bird. But on that times, no one had the mind. On that time, they starting the for starting business. That's why British person had come here and they captured to the India. After that, means they take off the here's gold and they run away from here. And on the times if the persons wanted to do some work on the times India was developed means India was freedom in the 1857 revolution, but having coming the Mahatma Gandhi, the India get independence 1947. That's why day by day the India are developing for the with some money. But in the present times, who have the only some money, they can start business very easily with their mentality. Or if I talk about in the Asian times, no one had the mind for starting the business. So that's why modern time is good.
Yes, just to say that on the past times, people didn't have a mind to start any business. Then how can you say that they didn't have mind? Because of their spice, British people become greedy. You know that in India, a lot of healthy foods and they grow the spice. And you know that from India, many things are they stolen British peoples. Our agricultures, our civilizations, they are spoiled that, and they stolen our agriculture. They know from India, they know that how to grow the rice. They know that, and as you know that one great rice is basmati. This was invented in India, and right now British people they are patent on that. That's why everyone know that this is the basmati rice is the that countries. But it is not a true.
Then forward regions, here past times people they were facing a lots of problem. They sleep without eating, and if I talk about present time people, they have enough food for eating and provide to other persons. And if I talk about there are many seasons which is present in India, which is present on the world. And if I talk about present time people, they never face any type of problem with the because of the monsoons. But if I talk about past time people always faced that type of problem. In a winter season they faces a cold problem. In a summer season they faced they faced hotness hot problem, hot weather problem. And if I talk about present time, they were never face any type of problem. That's the reason here present time is good. And if I talk about present time people, so they always live with comfortably and luxurious life. And if they have any type of problem on that time, every people gathered a place and they solve that problem. But this type of things never happen in past.
Just you say that what you said, well, I think it is a totally wrong, because it is a opposite side. Because just you say that people they were facing I think summer hot seasons and in the winter seasons. But I think you have thought that when in past times our temperature was high, I think 47 Celsius. No, but in present time it was happening. And 2024 their temperature 47, and it's never happened in it was not happened in the past times. And on that times because they think about our nature, they never cut the trees, and they only think that also they started slogan save water, save earth, and they also put on I think a tree. They started like that. On that time people they while saving they died for tree, just but in present times there is one company, that company are cutting 10 million trees for only making a cigarette. You are thought that they only smoke, and they release that smoke in the airs, and that is very harmful for us. And today's people what they are eating that are totally poisonous, because yes, today's generation they want grow a lot of corns. For getting that they are providing our land, for our corn they providing a lot of fertilizer, which is a chemical fertilizer, which is harmful for our bodies. And for that our bone become a weak. And also if I talk about on that time people they were eating which is a healthy food.